From small drones to big missiles, Palladyne AI is helping them all lift off more smartly. For drones, it, along with Dragonfly, announced a major integration milestone advancing autonomous drone swarm technology. The company successfully integrated Palladyne's Swarm OS software with Dragonfly's drone hardware and validated the system through flight simulation. This system enables decentralized, real-time collaboration among drones using Palladyne's DECA, Decentralized Edge Collaborative Autonomy approach. Unlike traditional drone systems that rely on centralized control or pre-programmed paths, each drone can independently perceive its environment, make decisions, and coordinate with others, even in GPS-denied or communication-disrupted environments. The system can dynamically adapt to mission changes, including loss of drones, ensuring resilience and continuity. Palladyne also demonstrated its broader autonomy platform, IntelliSwarm, which combines Swarm OS with its Brain X2 flight computer. This integrated system was successfully flight tested on Palladyne's Banshee UAV and operated collaboratively with drones from RCAT. The test validated real-world, multi-platform swarm coordination, showing that heterogeneous drones from different manufacturers can function as a unified, intelligent network. IntelliSwarm integrates perception, decision-making, flight control, and coordination into a single-edge AI system, enabling real-time autonomous operations without reliance on centralized infrastructure. This architecture improves mission resilience, supports interoperability, and aligns with U.S. Department of Defense requirements for open, secure systems. The technology is designed to scale across UAVs and autonomous weapons, forming the foundation for future swarm-based warfare. Beyond autonomy software, Palladyne is expanding its defense footprint. It secured a missile propulsion subsystem contract expected to generate about $1 million in 2026 revenue, strengthening its position within the U.S. defense supply chain. Additionally, its subsidiary GuideTech was selected by the U.S. Navy to develop a low-cost near-hypersonic missile, ALRRM, designed to deliver high speed over Mach 4, long range, and affordability. Because speedier munitions and lower-cost munitions are becoming ever more vital in modern combat,